over 2,100 square feet in this luxurious two-story home in the prestigious Cottonwood neighborhood in Coaldale. You will enjoy the bright, open floor plan that offers a gas fireplace, gas stove, island, huge pantry, massive fridge, and the front coat closet has so much space, you'll never have shoes piled up at your front door. There is an office on the main floor that could be used as a bedroom if you need, as well as a two-piece bathroom. Upstairs you will find 3 large bedrooms, the master that offers a huge 10.5 feet x 5 feet walk-in closet and a 6-piece master ensuite that will be the envy of all your friends. Both of the other bedrooms offer large closets, with one of them having a large walk-in closet. Just when you thought you didn't need any more living space, enjoy the large family room upstairs with tons of space for all your family needs.